Hi guys, this is Hero. How's everyone doing today? So today I'm going over the number one key ingredient in order to be happy in life. Okay. And I said happiness, right? Which is a state of mind. I didn't say joy, excitement, ecstasy, or any of these kind of temporary feelings that are commonly associated or confused with happiness, right? I'm talking about just the actual state of mind, which has nothing to do with the temporary emotions that are coming in and out of your mind, okay? But the number one best way to achieve happiness from a true state of mind, independent of any emotions that come in and out, is discipline, okay? That is the key ingredient. That is the secret ingredient, okay? If you look, right, and you ask anybody what makes them happy from a very superficial material level, you'll hear all kinds of answers, right? And some could work for you, some could not. Some could work for you now that don't work later. Some could not work for you now that work later, right? And the reason is because you have to find something that you can be disciplined at. You have to become disciplined in your life, no matter what you do, right? This is why you find some people that have acquired that true happiness state of mind, or very close to it, that pray every day, and some people that never pray, right? Some people that drink every day, and some people that don't drink, right? Now, it's important to truly understand all the different layers of discipline, right? I'm not saying, for example, drink every day and be disciplined and you'll be happy, right? But if you're disciplined, let's just say every day after work, you have one beer, right? You could argue that that's a disciplined person versus somebody who's just drinking until they feel great, right? These are two different things. And the word discipline, it could be used in an abstract way, very subjective. So it's up to you to use your awareness and common sense to have this video apply to you as resourcefully as possible, okay? But you'll notice people that seem to be happy in life, or people you observe, they are happy because of how disciplined they are, right? They are kind of doing the same things at a same frequency. They're not shifting from extreme to extreme, stopping things, starting things, changing things up, right? These are just ways to have the mind adjust to like lower and higher and different extremes in order to give your mind certain mental and emotional thrills that you can make decisions and behaviors based off of that, right? And that's not good, right? That you're just, almost becoming a slave to the mind, right? Which is having, less control of your mind, versus if you're disciplined, which no matter how conventionally or good or bad something is, if you apply the discipline properly, aka, you can refer to that alcohol example I gave on how to actually apply the discipline properly, despite what you're actually applying it to, you can, learn how to master the mind and live the life the way that you want it, so that you can achieve that state of happiness for yourself, right? Everybody's going to have a different, rule book on what it is that makes them happy. Some people like to go to the gym, some people don't, right? And you'll hear people saying, I don't need to go to the gym to be happy. Some people saying you need to go every day to be happy, right? But it's just about what you can be disciplined in the relative long run. Again, the long run, it's relative in an abstract concept. It's not like a fixed set of like time, like 90 days or whatever, right? These are all just abstract kind of concepts that are hard to quantify. But if you kind of just get what I'm saying, for example, the gym example, you want to basically do whatever it is that makes you happy in the long run, right? But don't do things to kind of chase towards extremes, okay? For example, I never want to go to the gym, or, this could be what actually makes you happy. Or I need to go to the gym every day, twice a day, whatever, right? But then there's also no problem with, like, for example, going to the gym like every other day or every third day or something like that, right? If that's what you're disciplined about. And when you become disciplined about things, the other thing is that, see, your mind has all sorts of expectations and illusions. Like, for example, the pray, no matter how good or bad the topic is, right? Praying, drinking, going to the gym, right? These are all things that your mind has expectations and illusions about. Like, if I pray, I'm going to achieve this. If I drink, I'm going to achieve this. If I go to the gym, I'm going to achieve this, right? Or I'm praying and I'm not achieving this, right? Or I'm drinking and I'm not achieving this. Or if I'm going to the gym, I'm not achieving this, right? But when you become disciplined about stuff, you learn to kind of detach from all the expectations and illusions related to that. And you're actually truly, this is actually truly what, at like a soul level, what you want to do, right? So I think by this point, if it made sense, you'll kind of take this in and apply it appropriately. If not, then maybe you might need to do some more. You could ask me a question on comment section or email, or you can do some soul searching to see if how you feel about what I said about in the video, or do some research outside this video. Okay, but that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, as usual, let me know in the comment section or email. And until next time, thank you all, everyone, for watching. Okay.